Hi everyone, I am Torit Mato and you are watching Art and Purulia. Today I'll show you how you can paint some more beautiful flowers using watercolor. I'll be painting white bougainvillea, white periwinkle or sadabahar, a red hibiscus and a blue oporagita also known as butterfly pea. For the white bougainvillea and white sadabahar, I'll be using the technique of negative painting. While bougainvillea is not properly white, it has slightly green shade into it. The Sadabahar is purely white. Negative painting in watercolor is used when the main subject of focus is white or very light in color. The white of the paper is preserved and the surrounding is painted with darker values to highlight it. Here, to show the flowers, the surroundings are painted dark to highlight the light colored or white flowers. For the hibiscus and blue aparajita, the main technique will be layering or glazing. These photos I just took in my garden and all of them generally bloom round the year. You will need a watercolor paper. Here I will be using a 240 GSM paper, pencil to draw outline and watercolor paints and a round mid-size brush like size 5 or 6. Firstly, draw the outline of all the flowers and leaves. I'll paint the flowers one by one but build them in layers of paints. Firstly, I'll apply a very light green wash over the white bougainvillea. I'll wait till it's dry. Once dried, paint a general green layer around all the flowers indicating the leaves and foliage. Then slowly build darker layers to define the leaves and the flowers. At least 3 or 4 layers will be required to define the shapes and tones. You must wait for it to dry completely before applying the next layer. Once you are happy with the watercolor, either you can leave it at that or do some fine detailing using colored pencils. Water soluble colored pencils are better. You can even wet them using a brush after application for a smooth finish. These are simple flowers but easy and really beautiful. More you practice, better you will become in your painting. But practice it right. Don't practice wrong, or else the wrong things become permanent. So keep watching my channel for more such tips. Thanks for watching. See you.